During these unprecedented times, I just want to give a short message of thanks to our council staff. From the staff keeping the refuse and recycling services running, to the teachers and school-based staff providing emergency childcare for key workers. Over the weekend, our finance staff have been working hard to get business grants out, and already £10 million has been approved and will be paid out over the next few days. Business owners affected by the current situation should check the council website to see if you qualify for the government support that's available. Our social care staff have been working around the clock, helping residents to remain at home, helping to keep people out of hospital and helping with the pressures there. To all our RCT council staff, whatever role you've been playing, a huge thank you. Your commitment is appreciated by the wider community. Finally, to everybody working in the NHS and those who are key workers, I thank you on behalf of the residents of Rhondda Cynon Taf.